Okay, so let's look at number 18. So this is a question where they give you a value. We have variables in our answer choices. Anytime there's variables in the answer choices, you have the option to pick numbers or to plug values in. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put 0, 0 in the place of x and y. So they tell us that's a solution. It means that works in the equation. So 0 is less than or equal to negative 0 plus a, which just means that a is bigger than 0. And then 0 is greater than or equal to 0 plus b. In other words, b is less than 0, right? So pick values for a and b that make sense of this. Pick a is, 1, and b is negative 1. And the big thing here is the word must. What that means is we're going to get rid of any answer that's untrue, but just because it works for our values doesn't mean that we're done. So if we look at our answers, this one says that 1 is, this says that 1 is bigger than negative 1. Absolutely. B says that negative 1 is bigger than 1. Of course, that's untrue. C says that the absolute value of 1 is bigger than the absolute value of negative 1. All absolute value means is the distance from 0. These are the same distance from 0. 1 and 1. Both of them are 1 unit away from 0. Even though this is negative 1, it's a distance of 1 away from 0. It is not true that the absolute value is bigger. They're actually equal, right? However, answer choice D does work for now. 1 is equal to negative 1, right? Because that becomes a positive 1. Okay, so D and A seem to be true. Let's try a different set of values. Let's try try to make it dramatically different. A is 100 and B is negative 2. Well, is 100, in answer choice A, cross this part off, 100 greater than negative 2? Absolutely. And going down to D, is 100 equal to negative 2? Of course not. It's not equal to positive 2. So answer choice A is your correct answer. So the big thing here is use the value given to you. Watch out for them to say the origin, because sometimes they'll say the origin to just kind of make it a little bit more challenging for you to notice that that's 0, 0 and put all that together. I know it sounds easy, but a lot of folks, smart folks, can mess that up. The other thing to look out for here is the word must, right? The fact that we have to pick multiple sets of values to get rid of answer choices. That's the way you do this question. It's the easiest way. So hope that's helpful.